Hey folks, I'm Amanda Rueda. I am a product manager here at GitLab, and I wanted to share a common use case that you could use GitLab Duo for in your everyday workflows. So I consider myself an AI product manager in that, sure, I'm looking for opportunities to build AI into our product features, but I am also an AI powered product manager. And what does that mean? That means that I am looking for opportunities to use AI in my everyday workflow to take my output and my efficiency from 1x to 10x. And even more importantly, to take my outcomes from good to great. So in this series, you'll find other small use cases in this playlist. I am just showing you everyday uses of how I use GitLab Duo, our AI in the GitLab product, to help power my workflow. So let's go ahead and dive in. I was following up on an issue where I identified that I forgot to create a follow-up issue for future work that we'll be doing based on UX feedback. And so I basically came over to Duo and I told Duo to read the comments of the issue, use the feedback to create a new issue definition or description for the engineer to pick up to make sure that Duo explains what the background is, what the user value is, and ensure that all of the technical details are there, like acceptance criteria and so forth, so that a new developer that's not familiar with our code base or our product can pick this up and go ahead and start work on it. Now, Duo did a pretty good job to give me the information that I asked for in a really easy to understand format. However, I noticed a couple of things off the bat. I forgot to ask it what type of format I wanted. I like Duo to give me my content back as Markdown so that I can easily copy it into an issue. So I need to ask it to go ahead and return these values in, or this data in Markdown. But also, it didn't get the background quite right just based on this reference issue alone. And that's my bad for not giving it all the context it needed. So I am providing it even more context so it understands. And so now I'm going to go ahead and refine what it has created and provide that additional context as well as request that it provide the output in Markdown. Now, you might want to see different types of formatting. You might have requirements, for example, to be like case sensitive or sentence case, whatever. You should give those details to Duo when you are creating your prompt. And something that I like to keep in mind is that when you're working with AI, they're not doing 100% of the work. You're not doing 100% of the work. It's a partnership and it's kind of a sandwich. I look at it as 20%, 60%, 20%, where upfront you're giving 20% of your time to invest in the prompt, in the context, in your goals, and then in the directions in terms of formatting, tone, what have you. Then 60% the AI takes on and it does the thing you've asked it to do. And then the final 20% is you reviewing and refining the returned information. So, you don't want to use AI to write for you, for example, but you can use it as a foundation. But you should always confirm results and refine the message. So I'm going to go ahead. I copied that. I'm going to create my new related issue. And what I'm going to do is paste in what Duo gave me so that I can use this issue as basically my sandbox to make my edit. So now I can go in and I can start to modify and change things that may be incorrect or add additional context, add the screenshots or designs, additional information before I go ahead and save that issue. But you can already see that the information that Duo has given me is really an excellent foundation to start from. So now I just need to read through it for complete accuracy and, as I said, refinement. So hope this helps. As I mentioned, I'll be posting more bite-sized videos about how I, as a product manager, use AI to power my workflows and how I can become an AI-powered product manager using GitLab Duo. Thanks so much and have a great day.